Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to paint a front lip. So this is just plastic. So what I'm about to show you can really apply to anything like front bumpers, honestly anything plastic on the exterior of your car. What I'm using is this Dupli Color trim and bumper paint. All you really need to do is sand down the part that you're going to be painting, and all I'm going to use is a little bit of Scotch-Brite. You don't need to go crazy with it, just kind of lightly go over it, kind of just like that. And then I got mine wet so that, you know, dust and stuff doesn't get into the air, and it kind of just makes for a cleaner job. So you kind of just go around the whole thing. Super simple. Okay, now that everything is sanded down, just a super light sanding, you're gonna wash it with soap and water, clean off any grease or anything that is stuck on the lip, because it gets super dirty after sanding it, like way dirty. Okay, now that it's totally dry, I'm gonna get some rubbing alcohol and go over it with that. Just gonna get any of the grease that's left over, or any debris that's left over on the part you're gonna paint. Okay, now that you're to this point, you're gonna wanna get like a microfiber towel, something that can get all the lint off. Because if you kind of look closely, I don't know if you can see that, but there's little bits of lint left over from cleaning, and the microfiber will take all of that off, but the little lint pieces will show through the paint once you paint it. Okay, so now we're ready for paint, and all we're gonna do is literally just follow the directions on the can. So it says hold the can 6 to 8 inches away from the surface that you're painting, and then apply 2 to 3 light coats and allowing 10 minutes between each coat. So I'm just gonna go pretty light, and then just remember the 6 to 8 inches above. So that kind of goes on heavy, so yeah, definitely go light. That is what one coat looks like. So now I just gotta let it dry for about 10 minutes, and then I can apply another coat and then another coat after that. So here it is after those 3 coats, and it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, not too bad. It's kind of like a semi-gloss. It's not like super glossy, but there's still gloss in it. But it definitely looks better than it did